table shits. I'm Romanian sick of fart slow, and I'm gonna teach you how to use a fucking TV remote. Step by step. Number 1, hit the fucking power button. Step 2, hit the fucking power. By doing that, it turns the TV on, and the TV's not on. Step 5, make sure the TV's plugged in, please. TV's plugged in. Step 8, make sure the brightness is all the way up.
Step by step.
Step 7, make sure it's on the correct input.
Step by
Step 9,
step by step.
Step 10, put it on your favorite channel. My favorite channel is